A friend asked me about this, so I tested it and here's what worked. If you want to check your bill details on the e-app, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the e-app. Launch the e-app on your smartphone. Make sure you have the latest version installed for the best experience. Step 2. Log into your account. Before starting recovery, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Navigate to billing section. Once logged in, look for the billing tab at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it to view your current bill details. Step 4. View bill summary. In the billing section, you'll see a summary of your current bill, including charges and due dates. Tap on view details for a breakdown of each item. Step 5. Check previous bills. If you want to see past bills, scroll down to the previous bills section. Tap on any bill to view its details. Be mindful that older bills may take a moment to load. I hope this helps you easily check your bill details on the e-app. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.